All right, so I'm installing the Ozark Overland interior tire carrier today. That'll be nice. I don't want to spend the money on a bumper yet, and I've been riding with the tire on top of the car, and it's pretty noisy up there, and I'm pretty sure it's going to do in my sunroof when I open the sunroof. The thing bounces pretty hard. So we got this taken out. I got the seat. I finally removed the seat. I'll probably remove the other seat eventually. The seat's just held in by 5 bolts there on the wheel well, you can see there. I'm also taking out the rear seat belt. That was what, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, 14 and 10. So here's what comes with the kit. Strap to hold everything down. Hardware. And the tire carrier. You see the bolt where the old seat latches down. Go over. Apparently I need to drill one hole. Otherwise, that's it. Pretty beefy. You can see how the ash from all our fires here set out overnight. Insane. So this is not overcast. This is smoke. And this is what it's been like here for a week or two. Somewhere. There's the sun. Nice. Okay, so I've temporarily bolted this down. These are 11/16 actually. Let's go mark where I got a drill. Okay, 11/16 holes drilled. Pretty much in place. So there's the rear 2 bolts coming through. There's the hole I drilled. And there's a leaky pinion seal. So it says USA,